What's up, guys? Pretty much one thing I'm gonna throw out right now that I just thought about doing. Pretty much one of the methods that they do with color sandstone to make it the color spot better. Is that they use not this they use pretty much an odorless version of Crazy Glue. This one, of course, is really bad, so you have to have a fan on or whatever. But the one that they use is the odorless version. And they apply that to the color sandstone to make the colors pop. I'm noticing that this doesn't have that, so I'm gonna try this here. I have a fan on, I have a ventilated room, so I should be okay. But I'm gonna do this in camera to see how it works. Let's do it with the black right here, okay? To see how it works. It's kind of making that part a little bit better. I don't know if the colors are popping very much. Let's try another part over here. So it's actually making it brighter. I'm not sure. I think it is. Compare that part to that part over there. So I think it's kind of helping. I'm not sure how much it's helping. Let's try this part right here. Let me try it. I don't want to do the front part because I don't want to mess that part up. So actually it's making it much brighter. So, and now I'm thinking, I don't know if it's gonna make it stronger. Alright, let's try the front. Make sure that you have a fan with you, because I have 3 fans running right now. Because this thing is kind of making my eyes water. So it's making it, I don't know. I don't know. It looks cool. It looks bright. Like one thing I like about it, because it looked kind of pale. So this is actually helping with that whole pale thing. So I think I kind of like that. I like it actually better than it was before. Okay, that one I think. rub some of the black stuff off. But I don't know, I kind of like it. Careful when you do the Sharpie thing though, but it's way brighter. So I don't know, guys. That's another way to treat it. Actually, I like this a lot. It looks way better than before. Now it's gonna like more like a plastic look. So, anyways, that's it, guys.